So here we are. You finished your exercises, and now let's start with our first own project. So let's start a new project. Go to File, New, Project. And first check the left side here. So we want to start a new Android project, so select Android. You can see here we can have phone and tablets, but you will also be able to program wearables or even TVs. But for the moment, let's start with phone and tablet. Now here we can scroll through two different activity styles, and we're going to go on that later on. For the moment, let's scroll down here and select the fragment and view model. What fragments are, what view models are, we're going to see in one of the later lectures. We go for next, and we give our application a name. Something like that, and we can leave the rest as is. So let's finish it. And now it takes some time, and that's totally fine. You can see down here what's going on. And if you click on Show All, you get some more information. And we're now going to wait until that's finished. Okay, here we are. Everything's finished. So let's just try what we can let it run on our emulator. So we go to the triangle up here. We have selected the phone we want to run it on. It's an emulator at the moment. And let's run that. And now there's a lot of magic happening. And again, down here, you can see what's going on. So it now translates all the code, which was automatically generated, into a program which can run on your Android app, on your Android phone. And it starts the Android emulator itself, where that program will run on. So let's wait till that's finished too. And now it's starting the app. Let's look where our app is. Here we go. So that is, we named it our first app, and here it is. Congratulations, you just started your own first app on your Android emulator. So the first thing we can do now is try to understand how this view here is built. So to do that, let's go back to our IntelliJ IDEA. And this is the standard view, but we want to have the Android view. So click on the project, and here is an Android. Click on it. It looks different, but nothing's changed. It's just a different way of displaying all the information. And don't get confused that there's Java written. We do write Kotlin code. And this is the code we are running right now. Now, if we want to change how our app at the moment looks, we have to go to the resources. These are the folders down here. So let's expand that. Ooh, here's something called layout. That sounds reasonable. And you see, if you go back to our emulator, there's something like main fragment. Ooh, here's main fragment too. So let's have a look at that one. And you see, that is our view, which we see at the moment in our emulator. So can we change that? Let's click on that thing. And if you go further to the right, you can see here is something like text. So let's just change that text for the moment. Press enter. We see here in our design preview, the text is changed. But is it also changed in our app? So let's rerun our app. And I see at the moment we don't have the triangle here because the app is already running. What happens now is the app will be stopped on the emulator. Our code is again compiled, translated into something which can run on our emulator. And here we go. Yes, we want to terminate the version we are running right now. And you've just seen in the background how the new app was started, and here it's written Hello Kotlin. Let's have a short look back onto the design page, just to give you an idea. So this is just a nice interface, but in fact, the way how this is coded is plain text. So if we go up here into the code section, you can see this is how we define by kind of text how we want our app to look. And you see here's our text, here's something without Hello Kotlin. But of course it's easier for the moment to just play around with the design page. And this is it for the first video.